Now, friends, we have covered a lot of information in chapters 1 and 2, but chapter 3 is where we really tie it all together. If you're a true beginner and everything that we covered in the previous chapters just feels overwhelming, then my friend, booking an appointment at the Benefit Brow Bar will answer all of your questions 100% guaranteed. And if you're still lost, stick with me. As the #1 employer of licensed beauty professionals worldwide, we here at Benefit offer an array of beauty and brow services, from brow tweezing, waxing, and tinting to brow lamination, facials, and so much more. And booking an appointment at the Benefit Brow Bar isn't just booking a brow appointment. When you book an appointment at the Benefit Brow Bar, you are booking yourself a one-on-one appointment with a licensed beauty professional. And they're there to help you with quite literally any and all of your brow and beauty questions. So not only are you receiving a customized service from start to finish based on your face shape, you're also getting invaluable advice, again, from a licensed beauty professional. So if you're more of a hands-on learner, the Benefit Brow Bar is going to be the perfect place for you to sit down one-on-one and get the help you actually need. Think of it as after-school tutoring. And the thing about getting your brows done at a Benefit Brow Bar is if you are consistent, your brow artist can completely transform your brows. I'm telling y'all, I've had some clients that I've been seeing for a couple of years and the transformations you wouldn't believe. Now, if you're like, Autumn, I get it. You're telling me to book a brow service and I'm gonna do it, but I still don't know really what to book or where to start. My advice, just book a brow wax. When your appointment time comes, your art expert will do exactly what they do best. They'll get to know you, your brows, and what your goals are for your brows in the future, and they'll help you plan accordingly. So don't stress if you don't know what to book. Trust me, just getting your foot in the door and expressing your short and long-term goals for your brows is all your art expert needs to help you ace your arches. So class, in conclusion, what have we really learned? Well, we've learned the importance of brows, their shapes, and what their shapes are gonna do for your face. And we now know how to move forward choosing the right shade for our face. The last thing and the most important thing that we learned is if you're feeling overwhelmed about brows, take the pressure off yourselves and go book an appointment at the Benefit Brow Bar, where your licensed beauty professional will help you solve all of your brow and beauty dilemmas in a one-on-one environment. Now, class, it's almost time to leave, but do not think you're getting out of here scot-free without any homework. Let us know in the comments down below your brow shape, your shade, and last but not least, we wanna know what your favorite Benefit brow service is. So go ahead and drop the answers to your homework down in the comments below, and until next time, y'all, my name is Autumn Estelle. I'm Benefit's U.S. National Brow and Beauty Authority, and we'll talk to you all very soon. Class dismissed.